Hello everybody, we're back. It's me, Larry, and you are about to witness the best show of the year. The best show of the year. Because me and Josh are going to give you one hell of a show today. He's got some stuff planned. Don't you, Josh? Today's going to be the second best show of the year. As I'm going to give it to you full strength. This is what we got. We're kind of staying with boxed and food in boxes. I'm a little hesitant to go to fast food chains right now since this virus thing hit. Seen some strange things. McDonald's, or looks like they're having a big party in there because they got the front doors locked and they can do whatever the fuck they want. I saw 5 employees, nobody wearing gloves, music blaring, everybody hollering and laughing. I go, that's good morale, you know. But I don't know if the food is still sanitary and made and kept right, fresh as it's supposed to. Today we have this. It's chicken fried rice plus vegetable roll. And it's steamed white rice fried with white meat chicken. Edamame, E-D-E-M-A-M-E, edamame, and red peppers, carrots, onions, and scrambled eggs, plus this vegetable roll here. And it's a bowl and a roll is what they're calling it. And you shove it in the microwave. And this is what you get. This is what you get, gang. I had a question I was going to ask Dave, and I can't remember what the hell it was now. I'm sure it'll come to me today or tomorrow. Since I'm doing a show every day, it doesn't matter. That must have not been that important to start with. Right? Right. Okay, this is a company called Kahiki. I never heard of it before. Kahiki. I'm not sure how you say that. And this is what you get. It's in a black bowl. I was going to tell you for the last couple months why most of these bowls you buy this stuff in are black. And nobody's figured it out yet. Pretty easy answer. There's a couple smidges of eggs in there. A lot of rice. Everything's sitting on the top. I don't know if you can see that or not. Pretty weird. And then you get a roll. What kind of roll is that? Egg roll. Vegetable egg roll. That's what you get there. And if you're lucky, you'll find a $100 bill on the bottom of it. Of this bowl here. Every 100th one has a $100 bill underneath it. And I don't know if ours does or not. I don't know if ours does or not. Piggy? Yes, Larry? How you doing? I'm doing fine, Larry. You got any beef there? Huh? There's some chicken in there. Ooh, I'll take that chicken. I'll take that chicken. Well, you'll have to fight it with him. I think he wants some too. He keeps looking at this girl like that's his date or something. Okay. This is, I don't know. Look how it's got a couple pieces of just random eggs thrown in there. I don't understand what the eggs in there for. But we'll grab some chicken, and some rice. And I got a piece of egg there. And see what we got. Chicken's good. Has good flavoring on it. Rice is bland. Egg has no choice at all. Says it's supposed to have a lot of vegetables in there, like edamia, whatever that is. Red peppers, carrots, onions, and scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. So, a roll. What a nice dinner roll would have been better. That's a good roll. Roll's good. And this stuff's pretty good. So as I was saying before, this that's why I've been getting a lot of stuff in packages from the store, because I don't know whether or not to trust these people. They're pushing this food out of the window with I don't think any supervision. I noticed the lines have cut down a little bit. I don't know if other people feel the same way, that it's not as safe or not as fresh or whatever to get it from these people, the way they're doing it. I have yet to see a pair of gloves on a person. The only thing I really want to get one of those BTL sandwiches at Arby's that they got. So I had one a couple of years ago. It was great, but I don't know. What do you think? Are you still just getting your stuff? Because when I go to the most of the time, I go in and get the food for the show, so I know I'm getting the right thing and everything's right. I check it before I leave. I don't taste it, but I just to make sure everything's there. I can't do it because the doors are locked. They're not letting nobody in. Okay, this rice and these little packets of scrambled eggs is okay. Chicken's really good. I don't think too much of the eggs, not the eggs, the rice. It's a little bland. Okay. This thing here is okay. What else? House mic broke into my car the other night. Went through it. I guess looking for change or anything worth taking. I just leave my car open. I never lock my car. And I figure I'd rather have him go through the car and take the 35 cents and change than break a window getting into the car. Spending $300 for a window. That's the way I think about it. Where is my water? It's over here. This whole thing has a little spiciness to it. Spiciness. think I'm going to give this to the park people. Oh, I get it again. Joke time. Why did Buddhists start pulling coins out of his butt? Why did Buddha start pulling coins out of his butt? And the answer is because change comes from within. Change comes from within. Yeah, change comes from within. Okay. This is good, this little thing here. It's better than Ebola's. Oh, well, the more I eat, the worse I like it. Oh, about that. So, I hope you all enjoyed this show. Took months of planning for this show. Months of planning for this show. Still laughing now that it did. It really did. I didn't get no $100. Well, can't win them all. I can't really think of anything else. I hope your day went well. I had a good day. I watched it rain all day today. We've been getting a lot of rain around these parts.